since the February, and we're already doing over $10,000 in sales and $2,000 in profit. Best part about it is that I don't have to do anything.
Here we are a couple months in. Looks like this month, I'll show you guys, we did almost $13,000 in sales in the last 30 days, sitting at 120,000 visitors.
And then like 2 to 3 months later, which is where we're at right now, I'm sitting at around like 5 to 6, like almost 6,000. And I'm pretty content with that.
All of those people have made money using what you're about to learn in this video. My name is Diaz, and over the past few years, I've shown people how to build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages. I've worked with some of the biggest brands, companies, and influencers, showing them how they can monetize their content on Facebook. But today, I'm excited to show you something new. You wanna know what's the best kept secret in the e-commerce world? Facebook Marketplace. With 2.7 billion monthly users, millions of products are being listed and sold every single day. Let me ask you something. What if you could learn the skills to make an extra $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 per month selling on Facebook Marketplace without buying any inventory or even doing any of the shipping? It's called Facebook Dropshipping, and this is one of the lowest risk online businesses that you can start today. No inventory to buy, no warehouse, no employees, no shipping. And today you have the opportunity to learn this information step by step from people who have been doing this for years. So I've decided to partner with the guys from the Anti-9-to-5 Club, and they have put together all their years of experience, knowledge, and resources into a course showing you exactly how you can start making money dropshipping on Facebook in as little as 1 week. And so what I'm going to do in this video is show you inside the course so you know exactly what to expect if you decide to get it. But listen, I want you to meet the guys behind this course, Alex and Wayne from the Anti-9-to-5 Club. I have Alex and Wayne here from the Anti-9-to-5 Club. Basically, I wanted to bring them guys because these guys are, after taking their course, one of the best courses that I've seen in regards to e-commerce using Facebook Marketplace. I didn't have a lot of experience. Once I went through the course, learned a lot. Give us a little bit of what you guys do, your background, and how you decided to launch this course and help people make money with Facebook Marketplace.
Awesome. Thanks for having us on, Lester. My name's Wayne. I'm from the Anti-9-to-5 Club. I also have my business partner, Alex, here. And we have years of experience in business process outsourcing and sales and marketing. So when we learned about the opportunity to sell on Facebook, we really dove headfirst to learn as much as possible. We ran multiple marketplace accounts and shops for ourselves. And then we actually began offering the service to our clients to basically run a fully done-it-for-you program. After running dozens and dozens of successful stores, we wanted to give back and we wanted to get into the education space. So we actually pulled back the curtain. We took all of our standard operating procedures that we use to automate our stores and put them in a course so people like yourself and anyone else interested in monetizing Facebook through marketplace and shops can basically follow our step-by-step guide to create an automated business for themselves and even potentially for others.
To kind of piggyback off of Wayne, as he was saying, everything that we have learned through the years of hardships or mistakes or just learning and other people's ideas and other people's ways of doing things and total just immersive research, we've taken all that, stripped back all the things that don't work, kept everything that does, used only the standard operating procedures that we actually train our exact team on and put them exactly in this course in a step-by-step way to make sure that it's literally anybody on the planet that has an internet connection can do this themselves. So that's why we're so excited about getting this thing going and getting this thing out to all your viewers.
A lot of people can go through the course and they can take all that information, but it can be definitely a little bit intimidating to especially when you don't have any experience setting any of this up. And I've been able to work with a lot of influencers and people who have a lot of experience, but it took them years to be able to get to that level. But let's say you don't have a lot of time and you definitely want to be able to get started right away, making money. And the best way is to work with people who know what they're doing, especially people who have been doing it for quite a while. So I want to talk about the done for you. Exactly why do you guys think that having someone, especially you guys, with all the experience, all the success stories you guys had with building Facebook Marketplace stores and all of that, because we all know it's not going to happen overnight. There's a lot of claims online of people, I'm going to be able to make $10,000 per month. in like 30 days. It's not realistic. Every online business requires a lot of work and effort, and even if you do have all the resources, it might take you a few months to be able to get the ball rolling and get the first few sales. But if you have someone kind of giving you exactly what to do, and they actually have a team, a support team like you guys do, providing you with resources and tools and help and email support and all of that, then there's definitely more chances of being successful. So based on all the people you guys have worked with, what would you say is the difference between doing it with you guys, having that team in place, versus trying to do it alone?
So one of the main things is, as you know, we sell the course, which is a totally, you do it yourself. And then we have the bundle, which is like, we're doing it with you. We're doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Let me tell you two differences here. A lot of people that we know, a lot of people that we sell the course to, I look into the back end and I notice that they buy the course and then it just sits there and they don't actually go through the course, right? So they spent a good amount of money. They have all the tools right at their fingertips to get started, create their own passive income business. And they never actually get started. I guess life gets in the way. I'm not really sure, but they have this thing. It's right there. They could it's like the Ferrari just sitting in the garage, just waiting to be turned on, and they just don't. Now, the difference is with us helping you, we get started working on creating your stores right out of the gate, right? So there really is no hesitation. We just get started right away, which then enables you as the customer to have no other choice but to get started with your e-commerce journey, which I think is really important. So we're going to basically hold your hand and help you, guide you through this process. And also what we're doing in the beginning is, in my opinion, is one of the most important parts of like getting started, which is really most of the heavy lifting, which is getting your shop started, getting your marketplace started, and doing it in a way that's optimized to sell in the future. So that to me is like one of the key differences. Wayne, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say basically, I consider the done for you or with you for the first 3 months versus the course, like almost buying yourself time, because it's kind of like a jump start, right? So it basically takes away all the excuses of I don't have time to set it up, or it's a bit intimidating, or I'm scared to mess it up. It basically alleviates all of that because you're having our expert team that has set up hundreds of these at this point, doing the exact same processes that we've done for ourselves for you. So you get that peace of mind. And I mean, in reality, people do get busy and they may have other businesses or family obligations. So, they're getting a kind of a jump start into entrepreneurship. So at the end of that 3 months, we have, or during that 3 months, we have what's called the 12-week checklist. And you'll have insight into all that because you'll be in a private Discord server that gives you access to your team and your coaches, and you'll be able to watch them build your business step by step. So at the end of that program, you're getting handed what we call the business in the box, a done for you business, where it's almost on autopilot, and 10 minutes a day is really all it takes to maintain this. But you have the peace of mind that we're getting everything approved correctly, inputting all the correct information, starting your product listing and research, and basically just kind of jump starting this opportunity for you, where kind of takes all the excuses and kind of catapults you into having an online business.
What would you guys say? Either of you can answer this, but what would you guys say is the main difference between drop shipping with your own Shopify store, online store that most people are selling out there? The courses that I've seen out there are teaching how to do this, versus using Facebook, which is a multi-billion-dollar platform that a lot of people are using. Most people would say, oh, you need a Shopify store, you got to learn how to set up a store, you got to hire a web designer, you got to do all this, versus using Facebook shops and Facebook Marketplace. What would you say is like the main benefit of using Facebook Marketplace versus your own store?
Differences that I would say right off the bat. One of them is Facebook Marketplace and shops inherently has its own traffic. So as you know, Facebook is the #1 social networking platform in the world. The e-commerce side of it, which is the marketplace and shops, has over 800 million active buyers on a monthly basis around the world. And if you think about that number, it's absolutely insane, right? So if you're working with a platform and we're selling on a platform that has the active buyers, that has the traffic, that takes away most of the hurdle when getting involved with an e-commerce platform at all as a seller. So, if you start a Shopify or you start something else like that, you got to figure out ways to drive traffic to your shop, because you're one of many. And there isn't really like a specific, traffic pipeline like Facebook has. It's uncomparable.
Yeah.
Another thing is, with Facebook, the way we're looking at it is, it's basically like if you were to be an Amazon seller, back 15 plus years ago, this is like basically, this is ground floor. This is what we're looking at it as. It's a ground floor opportunity. It's still in its infancy. Facebook shops literally just started less than a year ago, and Facebook Marketplace has been around for a bit longer, but we're seeing them tweak the algorithm almost on a monthly basis. And we can tell that, they're gearing up to take on the likes of like the eBays, the Amazons, of Walmart. So I think that if you are a trusted seller, you get your name out there now, I think that you're really setting yourself up for success in the future. Plus, like you were saying with Shopify, you need to have you need to be working with a developer or designer, UX, UI, your store, to make sure that it looks like it's ready to sell. Whereas with this, what we're really doing is we're creating you your own shop, right? So we're doing the heavy lifting for you on that. So we're creating you almost like your own brand. We're creating your logo. So you have your own virtual storefront on Facebook Shops and Facebook Marketplace. We're putting in, hot selling products into your store without needing any sort of specific like designer, UX, UI, any person like that.
Do the Facebook Shops Roadmap course and everything it offers. As you guys can see, 97% complete, and that's mainly because they continue to add new lessons to this course that I still haven't completed. I have to go back and finish those lessons, but I wanted to give you a quick breakdown of what this course offers and how the information is divided into different little modules, which are bite-sized, designed to make it easier for you to find the information in case you get stuck when you're setting up your shops, you're trying to set up or list a product inside of Facebook Marketplace. So everything is pretty much very organized, and the information is always being updated. So here are just a couple lessons from the Facebook Marketplace section. Once you click on it, the video module will pop up and you'll be able to watch that lesson, and you can always go and click on complete and continue to watch the following lesson. Every single lesson has different resources and links specifically in regards to that lesson. So any tools, any resources that they mention that are going to help you, like software and stuff that you might need, it has spreadsheets and links, and everything is found inside of this course. So if you're a complete beginner to Facebook Marketplace, or you have never built a Facebook store before, using this course you'll be able to dive right into how to do everything yourself if that's something that you want to do. And of course, I highly recommend you watch every single lesson and you apply it and implement everything that they teach in this course, because you don't want to grab a course and not apply the information and take action. So this is without a doubt one of the best courses in regards to Facebook dropshipping and setting up your Facebook shops to make money with your own online dropshipping business. Okay, so quick little update here. I was putting together this video for you guys, and I realized throughout the video that I needed to give you guys a little bit more information about how this Facebook shops thing works, because it's pretty new. There's a lot of people making money with Facebook shops and Facebook Marketplace, and you might be interested in actually learning how to set up your own Facebook shop or learning how to sell drop shipping on Facebook Marketplace, which is something that a lot of people are actually doing. So what I've done is I've set up a page where you can actually go and find all the information, and Alex and Wayne can actually go and explain exactly how this works, and you can get all your questions answered in this page. So I'm gonna be linking to this page in the description below. If you're interested in learning more about this course, everything that it offers, there's going to be a link, the first link in the description below. Go and click it, enter your email address, it'll take you to that page. In that page you'll be able to see exactly how this works, including the bundle, basically the Facebook automation side that they offer, allowing you to set up your own Facebook store and do all the work for you for the first 90 days. Go and click it. It'll take you to that page where you'll be able to learn exactly how everything works. And from there, you can decide whether you want to get the course or you want Alex and Wayne to set up the store for you with Facebook automation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.